Now I am going to show you an example on lattice. And this is the question 1. Let n be the set of all positive integers. Conjunction and disjunction are defined as A. Conjunction B is equal to HCF and A. Disjunction B is equal to LCM of A and B. Prove that n conjunction disjunction is a lattice. So here the solution as follows. As HCF and LCM of two positive integers is positive integer, so A conjunction B belong to n and A disjunction B also belong to n, and there has been the closure property has been reserved. Since A conjunction B conjunction C is equal to HCF of A, B, C is equal to A conjunction B conjunction C and A disjunction B disjunction C is equal to LCM of A, B, C is equal to A disjunction B disjunction C, and here the associative property has been reserved. Now obviously here A conjunction B is equal to B conjunction A and A disjunction B is equal to B disjunction A. So the commutative property has been reserved. From theorem 2 we can say HCF of A and LCM of A and B is equal to A. So A conjunction A disjunction B is equal to A, and LCM of A and HCF of AB is equal to A. So A disjunction A conjunction B is equal to A. So the absorption law has been reserved. Clearly N disjunction conjunction is a lattice. So there